Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing a competency-based question for 3 marks. Let's look at the question. In the figure given below, PA is a tangent to the circle with center O and PCB is a straight line. Find the measure of angle OBC. And you have to show your steps and give valid reasons. Okay, now the angle that they're asking you to find is what is marked as angle X in the figure. Now we know that angle ACB is an exterior angle to triangle APC. So angle ACB will be equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles, which in this case is CAP and angle CPA. Okay, so the angles that I'm talking about is this angle is an exterior angle to triangle APC and it's equal to the sum of this and this. That is the interior opposite angles. Okay, so now let's try substituting some values which we know already in this expression. Now we know that angle ACB is 70 degrees, it's marked in the figure. And angle CPA is given to be 30 degrees, marked in the figure. So from this I can find the value of angle CAP as 70 minus 30, which is equal to 40 degree. Okay, so I got this angle as 40 degree. Now I know that angle OAP, I know is equal to 90 degrees. Why is it equal to 90 degrees? Because the radius and the tangent are perpendicular to each other through the point of contact. Okay, so this is the radius and this is the tangent. And the angle which it makes will be 90 degrees here. Okay, so let's use that info. So we know that angle OAP is actually the sum of angle OAC plus angle CAP. And OAP we know is 90 degrees. So that's equal to angle OAC plus angle CAP, which we found out as 40 degree earlier. So I'll get the value of angle OAC as 90 minus 40, which is equal to 50 degree. Okay, now let me make a small construction here. Let me join O to C. Okay, now when I join O to C, we can clearly see that OA and OC are equal to each other because they are radii of the same circle. Okay, so therefore angle OAC is equal to angle OCA because angles opposite to equal sides in an isosceles triangle are equal to each other. Okay, and OAC we found out as 50 degrees. So angle OCA will also now become equal to 50 degrees. Now we can find the value of angle OCB as equal to angle ACB minus angle OCA. So that will be 70 degree minus OCA, which we found out as 50 degree. So we'll get the value of OCB as 20 degree. Now in triangle OCB, I know that OC is equal to OB because they are radii of the same circle. Okay, so therefore angle X will be equal to angle OCB because angles opposite to equal sides will be equal in an isosceles triangle. So the value of X will now become equal to OCB, which we found out earlier as 20 degree. Okay, so the answer to the question, the measure of angle OBC, that is X, is equal to 20 degree. If you have a math question that you'd like me to cover, drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video just for you. Also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.